They made $3,950 before their software even existed. They had no finished product, no full app, no massive launch, just a simple landing page, a prototype, an email list, and one simple question. Will people pay for this before we build it? But the crazy part is, they talked to literally hundreds of people trying to get product ideas and then build the product afterwards the traditional way. All that resulted in was a bunch of confusion. They ended up with way too many different ideas, too many people telling them too many things. So instead, they completely changed the strategy. Instead of building first, they attracted an audience, collected leads, gathered information from them, and then they pre-sold the product before it ever existed. Now, that company was called Encharge, and the lesson here is simple. Don't validate a business by guessing. You validate it by getting real people to raise their hand and prove that they are willing to buy the product before it exists. Now, real quick, before we continue, I want to let you know, AI is not some kind of money printer. Success actually requires that you still help people, right? With a good offer, traffic, follow-up, and actual work. So the robots, they haven't eliminated us humans yet, but AI can help you move faster and avoid spending months on an idea that nobody wants. So when you hear me say they made almost $4,000 before their product exists, realize that this is not magic. This is a system where you serve an audience, you solve a problem, and then you have an offer that makes you money. Now keep on watching, because I'm actually going to show you how you can do this exact same thing. And there's a software tool that I'm going to give you a free trial to. You can hear about that in a little bit. I'll show you how it works. And in a matter of minutes, you can launch your own business just like they did and collect money before you ever even launched a product. Check this out. Now, what I'm about to teach you is based on this case study that you see right here. And before they ever launched their product, they did this simple process that I'll be showing you how to replicate it. And they banked almost $4,000 in pre-order revenue before they built their product. Now, the coolest thing about this is actually not the $4,000 that they got in their pocket. It was that they learned from these people. So they drove people to a page, got them to commit to buying the product, and then they surveyed them to learn what the features are that they should build into the perfect product, because these people actually raised their hands and said they'd be willing to buy it. So if you've ever had a general idea for a business you wanted to launch, but you weren't certain and you were feeling like a little bit not confident about exactly what features and services and things that should be inside your product or your offer, this is a perfect way to overcome that by learning from the system, and the people will tell you what to put into your new product. We're going to be using Buildy AI to build this product. And so I actually have a product idea that I think would be really cool, but I don't know all of the exact features for this audience. So my idea is that I want to serve the creator community. You know, influencers is another way of talking about them. They're the people that have YouTube channels and broad audiences on TikTok, or maybe they've got an Instagram following. Who knows? They have an audience of some kind that they serve with content. And I want to help them, because I think a lot of them on the business and marketing side, they don't know how to properly monetize their audiences. And there are tools out there that I know they don't like. They don't like some of the things like Patreon and other tools that you can use to help make money from your audience. But I don't know all of the features. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to build out this process where I'm going to create a pre-sales landing page. It's going to be targeting those very creators. I'm going to get them to come and sign up for the pre-launch list. And then I'm going to ask them about what the biggest problems, frustrations, pain points, and how I can build an app that's going to best serve them. So I'm going to take all of that information and then build out and launch the product. And I will have a whole pre-sales list of people who are primed and ready to buy in the process. So that's what we're about to build together. I'll show you how you can do this in literally a matter of minutes. A bit later, we'll talk about how you can get your own Buildy free trial, so you can actually try this out without having to spend even $1. Here we go.
Hey there, Bill. I'm Buildy. I can help you build a website, run market research, set up marketing campaigns, and more. What are you working on?
Yeah, I have a new business idea, and I'd like to create like a pre-launch lead generation process to build a pre-launch list for this new product. And so what I'd like to do is I'd like to make a homepage that really dives into the pain points, frustrations, problems that creators or influencers have. You know, the ones who have audiences on like Facebook and TikTok and Instagram. They have a hard time making money from their audiences. So I would like to make a better tool for them that helps them be able to send their audiences there where they can store content and have other features, maybe community and other things, so they can charge money to their audience, profit from it, and not have to use a tool they don't like Patreon and others. But I want you to make the homepage and kind of pre-sell the product. I mean, it doesn't exist yet, but I want you to talk about the problems and frustrations and pain points that we're going to help them with, and then paint the dream outcome of what it's like to use the tool and how they're going to be making a lot of money from their audiences and making their audiences happy and having to have more affinity together at the same time. I want it to look high tech, but also very friendly and kind of, you know, upbeat, targeted to look good to creators. Lots of like scroll animations and effects, and build out the homepage with an opt-in form where people can pre-register to get access to the product. Can you do that for me?
That is a solid idea. There is clearly real frustration in the creator space around monetization tools. Before I kick this off, one quick question. Do you have a name for the product yet?
Yeah, I don't have a product name yet. Do you have any ideas?
Earnly or Creatorly could work if you want something that feels modern and creator-focused. Or something like Vault or Inner Circle if you want to emphasize the exclusive, premium content side.
I like a combination of two. How about Creator Circle?
Creator Circle has a nice ring to it. It speaks to both the creator identity and the sense of community and exclusivity. Let's go with that. I'll get the team started on building the pre-launch homepage for Creator Circle right now. While we wait, one thing worth thinking about. Once the page is live and people start signing up, you'll want a way to follow up with them and keep them warm until launch. An email sequence could do a lot of work there, building anticipation and keeping early signups engaged.
Yeah, well, in addition to that, I want to create a survey. So they'll put in their name and email, and the next step is going to take them to a survey where we can learn about their frustrations and pain points, what they want to achieve, and what their dream outcome is, and then have an email sequence that goes out afterwards. Can you help me do that next?
I can build out the survey flow right on the site as a follow-up page after the opt-in, wire it up so submissions get captured, and then set up an email sequence that kicks off automatically after they complete it.
On the email stuff, do I have to go buy an outside email service, or do you take care of all that for me?
Email is all built in, no third-party service needed.
So you can help me register a domain name too?
Yes, custom domain setup is something we handle. We can connect a domain to your site and also use it for your sending domain on emails. If you already have one, we can hook it up, and if not, we can help you get one set up.
And now I'm curious too, so once we've collected the survey data and I know what the product features should be, can you build all the product for me too? Like, can you make the whole software?
Yes, we can build full-stack web apps. So once you know what Creator Circle needs to be, we can build the actual product. That includes things like user accounts, content storage, community features, payments, and more. So the whole journey from pre-launch page to live product can happen right here.
Oh, wow. So I don't need to hire a developer or use any outside, tools or anything. You do it all. Is that right?
That's right. The whole thing can live right here. We handle the building, hosting, design, marketing, and more.
Oh, that's awesome. And so can you also build like websites and stores and sales funnels and things too?
Yes to all of that. Websites, web apps, e-commerce stores, sales funnels, landing pages, you name it. And it all comes with built-in hosting, payments, data storage, and SEO. The Creator Circle homepage is ready. You should be able to see it in the Preview tab now. It's got the bold, creator-focused storytelling, smooth scroll animations, and the early access sign-up form, which automatically saves sign-ups to your contacts list.
Yeah, so I'm checking it out, Buildy. It looks great. I think it's got everything that I need. All the persuasion, all the sales copy is great. I think it's very appealing to the users. We've got the early access registration. So now I think we're ready. Let's move on. And if you can build out that survey. So I'd like it to be just 3, maximum 4 questions. And I really want to get insight into their frustrations, their pain points, what they would love in a product that helps them monetize their audience and their dream outcome. So can you kind of brainstorm up how we should ask those questions, and then have it so that as soon as they fill out the form and submit it, it goes right into the survey and asks them those questions.
Here is how I am thinking about the 3 questions. 1. What is your biggest frustration right now when it comes to monetizing your audience? 2. What have you tried before, like Patreon or similar tools, and what let you down about it? 3. If you had the perfect tool, What would it allow you to do that nothing else does today?
I love that idea. So let's build that and then create a 7-day email follow-up sequence to everybody who signs up.
Let's do it.
So you can also help me get customers to show up and fill out this form, right? Like, what can you do to help me get customers?
Absolutely. Once the page is live and ready, there are a few strong ways we can drive traffic to it. For paid traffic, we could run meta ad campaigns targeting creators on Facebook and Instagram. That's probably the fastest way to get eyeballs on it, since we can target by interests like content creation, Patreon, and audience building. On the organic side, we can create social media posts for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and others to build buzz around the launch. And once you have your email domain set up, we can also do outreach sequences to warm up any existing contacts you might have. Which of those sounds most interesting to you as a starting point?
Actually, honestly, I like them all. So do you do that for me? Do you guide me through it? How does that work?
Yes, I guide you through all of it. You just tell me what you want and I coordinate the work. We'd go through each channel one at a time, and for things like ad campaigns, I'd ask you a few quick questions about your budget and targeting. Then the team builds it out and creates everything in a pause state so you can review before anything goes live.
In a matter of minutes, we actually have the makings of a pre-launch where we can actually cash in before the product is ever created. Our customers are going to sign up. They're going to tell us what they want. So check this out. I'll show you what he built. So I'm going to put in a quick test. And let's say I am on YouTube. And then I'll say get early access. Everyone who fills this out is telling us what features we should build into our product. No more guessing. So do I need to make a course or a membership area or a software tool or a tool that helps them organize? Like whatever it is that they need, they're going to now tell me, and I can mine that data to build the absolutely perfect product. And then it does an email follow-up sequence. So for 7 days, it's going to continue to follow up with all of my prospects. So they're going to remember me as I build my pre-launch list. I just have to tell Buildy what those results are, and he will help me build the product. Then we launch it to the list that we've already built, and we make money immediately. It is pretty darn cool. You can get a free trial of Buildy. I'll drop a link down below in the description or comment somewhere and give you a link to that. You can go get a 10-day free trial. So you can try Buildy out for free. You do have to put your credit card in, full disclosure, but it does not charge until 10 days after you've started. So you have 10 full days to test it out, try it out, see if it seems like a good fit for you. You cancel at any time, but you can build out this exact funnel in minutes, as you just saw. And by the way, one last thing I want to show you that Buildy can do before we go is how easy it is to edit something if you don't like it. So if you want to change a page, you don't like how it looks, you don't like the colors, anything like that, it is so simple to do. Let me show you.
Is there anything else I can help you build or set up from my end?
Yes, I actually decided I think I want a different color palette. I think this is too dark and I want it to be lighter, a little bit more fun. And I have 2 links I would like to share with you. Can you look at those links for examples and inspiration for a new color scheme and to make the whole design and layout and fonts and everything a bit more fun?
I'd love to see those links. Go ahead and share them, and I'll send the team to redesign the site with a lighter, more fun look inspired by what you point me to.
Yeah, I just sent 2 links in through the one form.
Got them both, Patreon and Vocal Media. I'll send the team to study those for color, typography, layout, and overall vibe. While they work on that, one thing worth thinking about is your social presence. A few Instagram or TikTok posts teasing the Creator Circle launch could start building an audience before the page even goes live.
You can do all of it, right? So you can make my posts and all of that, and then I approve them and you post them for me?
I can create all the posts for you, and they'll show up in your queue tab for you to review, approve, and schedule. The team can handle the publishing directly. The redesign is done, Bill. The team went with a warm cream background, bright yellow accents, bold, chunky typography, and rounded white cards, inspired by both Patreon and Vocal Media. The homepage and survey page both share the new look, and all the forms and redirects are still working perfectly. Go ahead and check it in your preview tab, and when you're happy with it, hit publish to push it live.
Looks great, Buildy. Thank you for your help.
The Creator Circle launch is looking solid. Great page, survey flow, email sequence, and now a fresh new look. Good luck with the launch, Bill.
That's how easy it is to work with Buildy. Just that simply, I now have completely changed the look and feel of my website. And I can change anything. I can add pages, remove pages. I can have them build out a complete software app when I'm ready for it. And all of it just by having simple, plain English conversations with no technical skills or marketing knowledge required to be able to get amazing results. He just does it all for you. And if you ever have questions and you don't quite know what to do yet, he's your coach, your mentor, and your guide. He'll talk you through how to launch your idea into a profitable business. And so I highly encourage you, go grab your account at Buildy, try it out for 10 days, absolutely free. And by the way, if you got value from this video, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below. It really does help. I would love to know what kind of things you're gonna build. Or do you have any questions about Buildy and what he can do? Ask him down below in the comments. Oh, by the way, subscribe if you're here on YouTube. We release videos like this every week on YouTube, so check down below, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in a future video. And until then, bye for now.